Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money to Indonesia without any fees associated. So let's get started. Now for this tutorial I will be using the Send app because it doesn't have any fees, especially when you connect your Google Pay account. That way you can avoid fees through the entire process and transfer the exact amount that you want to another recipient. So let's go ahead and continue with the video. Also, if you guys want to know how you can open a Send account, I will link that video in the upper right corner so you can go from there. But essentially, once you create your Send account, you will be on your homepage right here. And then if you're making your first transfer, you have an option to add a promo code right here and get some extra money on your first transfer. So if you guys check the description of the video below, you would be able to find a promo code that will give you extra $15, euros or pounds, depending on your currency, on your first transfer when you're using Send. So don't miss that opportunity to get some extra funds. But essentially, once you use a promo code, you can go ahead and tap on here at the upper part of the screen and then just select Indonesia in the country list right here. So I have it already selected. So once you selected, this will be the screen that you will see. Now from here, you will just need to tap on your currency right here and then input the amount of that currency that you would like to transfer to Indonesia. So let's say, for example, 10 euros. Once you input your currency, then you can tap on next right here and then just go ahead and select add recipient. And on the next page, you have a few different options that you can use to send money to Indonesia using the Send app. So for this example, I will be just using the bank account, but you can also use GoPay or OVO or whichever one of these suits you. So I will go ahead and select bank account. Next up, you would need to input some recipient details. So first, let's go ahead and select the bank name by tapping here. So let's say that they have this bank right here. I will just select it. And then you would need to input their bank account number. So let's go ahead and quickly do so. Then once you have the name selected and the bank account number inputted, just go ahead and tap on check details. Next up, you would just need to input lastly the full legal name of the person that you're sending money to. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you have the name inputted, you can go ahead and tap on next. And then this will be the last screen that you will see. So right here you have one last chance to add a promo code. So again, you can use the promo code from the description. And then to confirm this transaction, you will just need to tap pay with your selected payment method. So again, as I mentioned at the start, I have my Google Pay account because it doesn't have any fees through the whole process. So if you want zero fees, I would suggest that you do the same. Now, once you tap on pay right here, the transaction will be sent to the person's bank account or whichever payment method you selected. And essentially guys, that's how you can transfer money to Indonesia using the Send completely without any fees associated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for